is up, YouTube? KNGTCG here, and as y'all can see, we got ourselves a Twilight Masquerade Scarlet and Violet box. We on that collect. All made a conclusion. Left side is the lucky side. So all the way around. So we got our 9 Twilight Masquerade boxes or pack. Now that we got our blade, we just put that bait. I lied. We ain't cutting them open. I'm scared. Alright, this might be a little mess up, but alright, yeah, we get it. Ooh, cards, you know, it's nothing. And guys, a ducklet, 9 tails, flora, festival ground.